Mercedes W203 with no crank, no start. Welcome to back our channel. Is your Mercedes not starting and repeatedly blowing fuse? If so, this video will help you to solve the problem. Here we have a Mercedes W203 that would not start and keeps blowing its fuse. Now let me show you a trick that no mechanic will ever tell you. First, let's check the 52 number starter fuse which has blown. We replace it with a new 20 amp fuse and then test the ignition. Our fuse blown again. But why did the fuse blown? That's the real trick mechanics never reveal. Now inserted of a 20 amp fuse which has blown. We install a 15 amp fuse as per the diagram. Let's test again. And the car starts. Problem solved. If you are interested in keeping your car in top condition, check out my test on which engine flush actually works. I tested 10 popular engine flush brands to find the best option for your engine. Click the link in the screen or in the description to watch. Thanks for watching.